Hi everyone, I'm Johanna Duran and I'll show you the story of Gardenia. In 1998, Gardenia Philippines started operations with its first state-of-the-art factory rated as one of the largest and most modern bread manufacturing facility in the country. New plants were also opened to meet the increasing demand of the consumer. This included the company's first plant in Cebu, which was built and made operation to meet the needs of the Visayas and Mindanao market. Wherever Gardenia bread maker facilities, one thing was consistent.
Eating is a favorite part of every Filipino family's life. Every day, they spend time together on the table, sharing stories while enjoying their favorite food. And one of those favorites is a staple on their table. Bread. Soft, fragrant, flavorful. Bread that's enjoyed by the whole family. One bread has been part of their table since 1998. A bread that has been synonymous to world-class quality and goodness that's masarap kahit walang palaman. Quality ingredients. And making your favorite gardenia bread starts by using only the best and finest ingredients from all over the world. Placed in the factory's computer-controlled ingredient handling top-of-the-line facilities. These are placed in gigantic silos and day bins prior to its release to the sponge and dough mixers. Half of the flour and other ingredients are then added to form the dough. These are then poured into the dough trough, ready for transfer to the makeup line. Via the trough elevators to the divider. Here, the dough is cut into the required size and weight of a loaf. This results in accurately scaled and consistent dough pieces. Second, rounding. The dough piece is rounded into a ball with a smooth surface. This is done on a conical equipment called the rounder. Then, the dough piece passes through the check weigher to ensure the correct weight of every loaf. And third, intermediate proofing. Here, the weighed dough pieces are transferred to individual baskets in the intermediate proofer. This allows the dough to rest, so it will go through the molding sheeting rollers without tearing. Lastly, molding. Dough pieces are flattened, rolled into a cylindrical shape, sealed, and cut into its final form. After this process, the dough will be twisted and placed in the baking pans. Molder 1 fills the right side of the baking pan set, while Molder 2 fills the left side. System, which is heated by environment-friendly liquefied petroleum gas. Conveyed downwards on the second tower. This process allows the bread to cool down to the desired temperature before slicing and bagging. Each loaf passes through the tumbling station, where all four sides of the loaf are checked. Here, highly trained checkers perform the final quality visual inspection per loaf. This ensures that only breads that meet Gardenia's high quality standards are sliced and packed. Now, the loaves are fed into a high-speed band slicer, where these are automatically cut to the desired thickness. The breads are then pushed inside bags automatically by a state-of-the-art bagger untouched by hand. Finally, to seal in freshness, Gardenia uses color-coded G-locks imprinted with a batch and traceability number, price, and expiry date.
This
from this high-tech facility to your table.